This video will demonstrate the simple steps necessary to install the lock shroud on our custom showcase. The lock shroud comes with 4 screws, and the only tool required is a Phillips head screwdriver. First, remove the door with the lock from the showcase. Slide the door all the way to the open position and then gently lift the door to remove it from the lower track. Place the door on a smooth working surface with the back side facing up. Remove the 2 screws holding the lock in place. These short screws can be discarded as you will be using the new screws provided with the lock shroud. Now, attach the lock shroud to the door frame using 2 of the new longer screws that came with it. Now insert the lock through the lock shroud and attach the lock to the door using the other 2 new screws. Reinstall the door into the showcase and you're all set.